Hello there. In this video, I am gonna show you how to appear on the screen keyboard in Windows 11. Show on-screen keyboard in Windows 11. Your keyboard may stop working sometimes, and you find yourself unable to control your computer or type anything like a password or phrase in a search engine to find a solution to your problem. You may also have a keyboard in any foreign language that does not have Arabic letters, and you want help writing a letter. 1. Go to Control Panel. 2. Choose Ease of Access Center. 3. Choose Ease of Access Center.
Always scan this section.
4. Tap on-screen keyboard.
Start on-screen keyboard.
You'll see a full on-screen keyboard that you can use however you like. The language can also be changed from English to any other language as shown in the following image. Here we go. We are done. MD was with you here on Everything PS.